President Trump is threatening new tariffs against tech giant Apple and the European Union. In separate social media posts this morning, the president threatened Apple to move its manufacturing plants to the U.S. and said talks with Europe are, quote, going nowhere. ABC's Christiane Cordero has those details from Washington.
With the stroke of a keyboard today, President Trump proposed new tariffs against a major trading partner and major tech company, Apple. Stocks today opened down and shares of Apple fell about 3% as Trump wrote on social media the company will have to pay a tariff of at least 25% if it does not move manufacturing from Asia to the U.S. Trump in Saudi Arabia last week blasted Apple CEO Tim Cook for not being in the audience alongside other high-tech CEOs.
Tim Cook isn't here. But you are.
Even though Apple has pledged to invest $500 billion in the U.S. over the next 4 years, the president critical of Apple's plan to move some production to India to get around Trump's hefty tariff on goods coming out of China.
I had a little problem with Tim Cook yesterday. I said to him, Tim, you're my friend. I've treated you very good. You're coming in with $500 billion, but now I hear you're building all over India. I don't want you building in India.
Though the president's pressure campaign on Apple to build iPhones in America goes back months.
I used to say, Tim, you got to start doing it over here, and you really have. I mean, you've really put a big investment in our country. He's going to be building a lot of plants in the United States for Apple. And we look forward to that.
Consensus among industry experts is Apple cannot feasibly move its manufacturing operation from Asia to the U.S. In another social media post, the president today threatening a steep 50% tax on all European Union imports, claiming talks among leaders there are going nowhere.
We don't need a quick deal, we need a good deal. So does America. So we have time.
The bulk of tariffs announced on the so-called Liberation Day are on pause until mid-July. Higher tariffs against China are on pause until mid-August, pending negotiations. Christiane Cordero, ABC News, Washington.